So today's tip of the day is look for opportunities not to trade. And to a lot of you, you would be surprised or wondering what does he actually mean by look for opportunities not to trade. And what I mean by this is a lot of times we are looking to find our next big trade, and we're looking to really, go all into the market so we can make the most amount of gains. But rarely do we ever look for what's the like? Is there a storm coming away? What's the weather forecast ahead? And we don't pay attention. Is there like any big earnings announcement coming out? Look, is there, some federal government or any government announcements coming out? Is there a war going to happen soon? So that's what I mean by look for opportunities that could cause some volatility or turbulence in the market. And we don't really go looking for that. We look for the next trade and for the next big stock. And while we do that, and we buy it at the best or the highest speed possible, soon to realize that it's actually starting to like fall down after purchasing it. And it's better to like understand and know what the surroundings are before you actually go ahead and place a trade, so that you don't come out defeated and depleted at the end of it. So I hope this was helpful for you. Please do apply it. Write down in the comments if this was helpful, and do press the like button if you like this advice that I had to share with you.